Well, is this thing going to be any good? I certainly don't intend to use it for cars or trucks. I've got much better compressors for that. But yes, motorcycle. If you're going to repair tires on the road, you need a compressor. So this has a battery, but it'll also work off the power cord. Supposedly, even when the battery's dead, that was attractive. Comes with a little carrying pouch and costs about $25 on Amazon. Let's see if it works. It looks like you can set the PSI. I guess it'll shut off anywhere from a high of 51 down to, I don't know, quite low. It started being set at 35. It's got 2/3 battery power. Maybe it'll work right out of the box. Absolutely the first time using this. I checked this rear motorcycle tire. It says it's at about 31.5, 32. Let's see what happens when I hook this up to it. All right, when I put the valve on, it leaked out a little bit. This says that it's at 29. So it's a couple off, but that's all right. Let's see if it just works. Appears to be working. All right, I set it to 36 PSI and it shut off at 36 PSI. Both of my tire gauges say that it has 38 PSI, but that's all right. I know that it's a couple PSI off. It appears to work. Good enough for motorcycle.